right, we are here at the booth of Alibaba Cloud, and we are here with Mr. Seeking, and we will be asking that what Alibaba Cloud is and how we as a broadcaster should expect some services, or what are the expectations of the broadcasters from the Alibaba, or what is the expectation of Alibaba Cloud from the broadcaster. So how are you, sir?
Hey, I'm fine.
So what is Alibaba Cloud?
Okay. In fact, Alibaba Cloud, you can think something like our cloud provider for infrastructure.
Okay.
Our tagline is more than a cloud.
All right.
So besides providing the underlying infrastructure, we do provide other solutions, especially for media. Right, we got something called Content Delivery Network.
Content Delivery Network, okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Beside that, we got something called Apsara Video Live.
Apsara Video Live, what is that?
Okay, something like, I think there's a very common issue is that, for example, today, let's say you're going to start your own streaming business.
Okay.
Right?
Like YouTube?
Like YouTube.
Okay.
Or
on Netflix?
Or Netflix,
okay.
Exactly, there's on demand. But what I'm talking is that on streaming, which is
live streaming.
Okay,
live streaming. Okay.
Right. So usually the typical business problem will be that you have a source, you need to deliver to your end user.
Okay.
Real time.
Okay.
Right. Of course, you can build your own solution, leverage on a lot of hardware. Of course, then after that, the problem will be that how you go now to manage the hardware itself.
Okay.
So we have a totally software as a service software stack, meaning to say you just pump in your input, then the video will be delivered to your end user directly, only via few configuration. You don't have to manage the underlying hardware at all.
And what about the analytics for those streaming things? Do you also provide that kind of service?
Yes, it is. Actually, we got something called content moderation.
Okay.
So based on the scene itself, we can detect something like inappropriate scene. For example, the porn scene, whatever scene.
It is an automated thing or a manual?
It's an automatic thing.
Automated thing.
Yes, based on our deep learning technology, based on our AI technology.
Okay. So at the moment, we at AIBD, we are working on a content bank, a very large content bank on the Asia Pacific region, right?
Okay.
So what about the curating of the videos and the audios, like a large digital library kind of thing, in which many broadcasters which are our members can contribute to that? Does that kind of thing also apply within your services or something like that?
Actually, we have a product that can enable that kind of solution.
Okay.
First of all, we got something called object storage, which can for you to store all your video feed or video or audio into very cheap and economical way.
Okay.
First of all. Secondly, out of the box, right? So you can pull the data, so leverage on our CDN network to deliver to the edge to your customer to reduce the latency and improve the performance. So we have that several products. You can join it together.
Okay.
So to enable your solution in this case.
All right. Okay. Right. Thank you very